Meanwhile, the parish of St. Mary, which usually has a comparatively low homicide rate, has recorded a double murder. The latest killings happened on 4th George Street on Friday morning. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell reports.
Crime scene tape drawn as the St. Mary police try to piece together the motive behind the killing of 2 security guards on 4th George Street early this morning. That incident has left family, friends and colleagues of the dead men in shock and disbelief. Commanding officer for the division, Superintendent Dudley Scott, says 3 security guards attached to Marksman Limited were attacked while on duty at a DNG site.
Vincent Walsh, 52 years of age, and Cleve Grant, both employed to Marksman Security Company. They were shot and killed by unknown assailant or assailants.
Superintendent Scott says it was discovered that Mr. Grant was missing, and so they started searching for him. However, while the other 2 security guards were searching for their colleague, they came under attack.
Police was summoned on the location, and on arrival, Walsh's body was seen at the rear of the compound, lying face down in a pool of blood. While Grant's body was discovered outside the perimeter fence with a gunshot wound to the back of his head. Cunningham was also gazed to the left leg.
The cops say they're doing everything possible to solve this case. However, the police are appealing to residents, especially those in Onoto Bay, to come forward with any information they have.
The support from the chaplaincy unit, in fact, I communicated with Reverend Anthony Armstrong, our Era 2 chaplain, as also one of our local Baptist pastor and other members to support, along with our community safety and security team from St. Mary, to offer support to the family members and also the Marksman security members who are grieving at this moment.
St. Mary has recorded 21 murders since the start of the year. In 2016, the parish recorded 29. Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.